Heating and cooling is probably not something you think much about, at least until it gets either too hot or too cold, or something breaks. When it does break, your first instinct is to call the local service company to come in and give you a new heating and cooling system. And that comes with a huge price tag. There is, however, a secret in how to save thousands of dollars on your heating and cooling system. You can buy the heater and air conditioner direct, have it shipped to your home, and save the thousands of dollars in markup charged by the local service company. That's right, the industry of local service providers' most guarded secret is that you don't have to buy the equipment through them. Online sellers like HVACdirect.com can sell directly to homeowners like you at wholesale pricing and delivered right to your home, ready for installation. You can save thousands of dollars on a new air conditioning and heating system by buying the equipment direct. Our customers' average savings is $4,000 per order and can be as much as $6,000 to $10,000 depending on the size of your home. Saving money sounds great, of course, but you may be uncertain how to buy these products. That's why we at HVACdirect.com have put together this Getting Started series of videos to explain how the process is a lot easier than you'd ever think. The series covers how to decide whether to replace or plan for a new system, it explains efficiency ratings, and shows you how easy our website makes shopping and placing your order online. Let's get started by breaking down the process into 3 easy steps. First, start working on your shopping list. To do that, decide if you're happy with the system you currently have or if you need something else. Most homeowners who have AC and heat are just looking for an upgrade or a replacement. Simply look up the specs on that current system and now you have your shopping list. Second, buy direct and save. Take your shopping list and go online to HVACdirect.com and place your order. Our site has detailed info on the units, plus what accessories or components you might need. We also have extended customer service hours available in case you have a question. Our experts can easily walk you through what you need, and once the order is placed, the unit should be ready for delivery in 5 to 7 business days. Third, contact a local installer to install your equipment. There are some misconceptions about buying direct, and you may get some pushback from your installer. The 2 most common misconceptions is that it's illegal to buy your equipment online and buying online would void your warranty. Both of these are false. Anyone can buy equipment online, but most HVAC systems are not do-it-yourself projects, so only a licensed installer can install it. And that installation also guarantees your warranty. You'll still see a huge price difference without the equipment markup. That's it, 3 steps to save thousands of dollars. And the biggest part of it all is just realizing that the option is even there. Be sure to watch the next video in our Getting Started series for great tips on how to get started on your purchase process with HVACdirect.com. If you need any further assistance or have additional questions, please give us a call, send us an email, or chat with us online.